Shout out guys, another tutorial, another song. So the song is from Elijah Woods, ang title 24/7 and 365. So 4 chords only for the song guys, for the whole song, 4 chords only at magtuturo tayo ng string pattern na. So let's start guys, 4 chords only. These are the chords, please follow me. The first chord is F sharp. Na, 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 na. Sharp, and the second chord is C sharp at the 4th fret. Okay, 4th fret guys, 1, 2, 3, 4. At ang third chord ay dito sa 6th fret guys, para sa E flat minor. Okay, and then the last chord ay isang B. Okay, so again F sharp, and then C sharp, and then E flat minor, 6th fret, and the last chord ay B. At the string pattern, this is a string pattern, please follow me. Down, the simple string pattern symbol, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so timing, down, 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 up, down, down. Time natin, play natin, let's play. Down, down, okay, down, up, down, down, up, down, B. Okay, then down, up, down, okay. Okay, so that's all guys. 4 chords only, apat lang. Sharp, C sharp, E flat minor, B, and string pattern down, up, down, up. So Elijah song 24/7, 365. Pa-share lang ng video no, sa mga ganap ng chords ito. Baka may naghanap, ako na bala mag-share ng video. Ang dito man tutorial guys, yung sa mga next na uploads natin. Bye bye.